What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I want to show you how to take a screenshot when you are on a PC. There are two methods. You are going to use the shortcut, and then the second method you are going to use a snipping tool. So let's say that I want to take the screenshot of my computer the way it is. So you need to press down the Windows key and Shift and then S together. So let me repeat. I said you press down Windows key and Windows key, Shift and S. Windows key, Shift and S, all of them together, and then you can choose the mode. We have the rectangular snipping mode. We have the freeform snip, the window snip, and then full screen. So let me choose full screen, and then so it has just like that, it has completed. And then in order to access that screenshot, you can see that on the action center it is actually open that action center, and then click on that image to save. So while you are here, you can do you can edit, you can annotate, you can do so many things. So for this case, I'm going to click on save. So you can see that there is save at the bottom, at the top here. So the shortcut to save, you can click Control S or press this button, and then navigate to where you want to store. So mine, I'm going to store on the desktop, then screenshot. So this is let's say screenshot 1. Screenshot 1, and then save, then close. So another method is to open a snipping tool. I have mine at the taskbar, but if you don't have, just click on the, either go to Windows icon or just type here snipping tool, and the application will pop up here, and then click on it. So, or you can just click on the Windows icon, scroll down to Windows accessories. You can see that it is here, snipping tool. Click on it, and then you can choose mode. The first thing that you need to click is this mode. You can choose freeform, like so, and then try your level best. Like that. So, and then let's say I'm comfortable with that. Click on File and then go to Save, and navigate to where you want to store it. I'm going to save it in the same folder I said, on the desktop, screenshot, and then you said screenshot 2, like that, then save. While here, you can also edit. Let's say you want to add some colors, you want to delete that, or you want to edit using the paint, you can do that. So that's how you can use you can do screenshot. You can screenshot anything, or your screen on the Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your PC. So that's the end of this tutorial. See you in the next one.